How to install Loklok on iPad. The first things first, Loklok is actually not available through iOS. This is only applicable and available via the Android device. But there is actually a certain method and then you can actually download and install it if you're going to be using iPad, iPhone, or any Apple products. So what you want to do is to use the APK method. Now on your iPad, what you want to do first is to access your iPad browser, and then on the search bar from your iPad browser, just simply type in loklokpro.com, which will take you out directly to this website right here. Now in this site, what you can do is to just simply search for Loklok for iOS, or just simply scroll down till you find this option here that says Look for iOS iPhone v3.5.2. Now just simply download it and then just install it via the um, anonymous resources files from the phone so that you can use this app using your iPad. And that's it. That's how you install Loklok using your iPad.